everyone. So today we are eating chicken feet. And we're eating dumplings. These are store bought, so we just did whatever was on the package. And then on the side we're eating pickled Korean pickled radish. And then these are ponzu soy sauce, the dipping for the dumplings. And then we are drinking coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
Yep. The one that he's drinking, it's the roasted coconut juice. But yeah. Right.
Yep. Let's try these.
Hold on, I can't open my.
Oh, okay.
I can't open it.
And here's my boo. It looks so good. Alright, cheers first before we eat. Oh, so refreshing. Okay. Guess today there's no spoon, no stick, nothing. Just bare
We're eating
hands.
with our hands.
Alright, let's try the chicken feet first. Yeah?
Go ahead.
Hey, it smells pretty good.
Here's it. I think these holes are too small for me. Oh no, it's just. Am I doing this right?
Yes. These are just tasting like those red pepper paste.
The Korean pepper paste?
Yeah, the Korean red pepper paste.
Okay.
And it does have a little kick to it. It's not spicy. It just has a little small kick, just so you can feel for the little heat.
I'm gonna go a little bit closer.
It's good though. Even though it's just store bought, it's frozen, but it's pretty good. It's not bad.
Would you buy it again?
Yes, I will. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's pretty good. Dip in more sauce.
You want your second one already?
Yeah, I guess it's kind of dirty. Like, it's kind of, well, not dirty, messy.
I told you. He was making fun of me because I was using 2 gloves. I probably have it all over my mouth now though.
Bones. Should we try the dumpling?
You can try first. I'm gonna finish this chicken feet first.
Let's try without the sauce first.
This is the pork one, right?
Yeah. Pork, veggie, and corn. It's alright. It's not really that good. It's kind of dry. The taste kind of bland. The corn kind of take over the flavor, so it's kind of sweet.
Was it?
It's okay. Dip it in soy sauce, and then it'll have a little salty flavor. Oh, perfect, dude. The ponzu sauce, perfect. Because the ponzu has like that little other flavor with it, you know.
It's lemon flavored, so it has that little sourness to it.
Yeah. So it's not bad. But if you're actually just eating the dumpling alone, it's kind of bland. Dip in the sauce.
Okay.
It actually goes together.
Pickled radish.
Hey, let's try it in one bite. See if I can take the whole thing out.
You can. Go ahead. I don't know why I can't. Good luck.
It's good.
You said the dumpling was good with this sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it. It does. It's good.
All gone.
It's not.
It's gone.
It's not.
It's all bones.
It's not.
I showed it to the camera already. They know. Dumpling.
I mean, it's better than what I would have done, so I'll give you that.
Ponzu sauce. Home? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just 7 and one bag.
I don't know, I guess so.
Cause I ate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chicken feet for $10. Wow.
Two, 2, 4, yeah, 7. Might have 7 too.
Sounds good. Is that your first one?
Second one.
Good. Hold that.
Yeah, they're dirty. The coconut keeps getting stuck on the straw.
It's very refreshing. Dipping the sauce good, dude.
I think we should have made another pack of the dumplings. Since there's only 7 chicken feet.
No, I think this will be okay. More sauce. Mmm.
You can do why you're eating so fast.
It's not my fault. It's so good. It's your fault for eating too slow.
I'm sorry, I always be slow.
It's just so good. I just want to keep it air in my mouth.
Then slowly eat it. You want to keep it in your mouth. I have the sauce all over my mouth now.
A little. So refreshing.
When I grabbed these from the supermarket, I thought that they were the ones that they already deboned. So when I thawed it out, I was kind of disappointed. But I mean,
Why?
it's okay.
But the bone tastes way better than boneless. And it's chicken feet.
I'm lazy.
It's chicken feet. It's supposed to have bones.
Korean people, they have the one in Korea. They have the ones where they debone it,
Really?
and then when they eat, they just stick it in their mouth. I watched YouTube like how they debone it too, but I don't think I'm that patient.
It must be expensive then.
Pretty sure, because it takes a long time.
Talking with these, man. Same time. God, good.
It's so good. We're not talking anymore.
Try and enjoy my food. Mmm.
Eat all the dumplings. I want some too.
Then got eat faster.
No, you got it slower.
I haven't. This is really slow. I can't eat slow like you. This is like how I eat as slow.
You have to enjoy it.
I am.
No, you're not. Can you use the other side to pull my shit back?
And this coconut is so refreshing. Excuse me.
Dang, you almost done with your sauce too?
Yep.
Jesus. The sauce is really good with the dumpling though.
It is.
It's good in any pumpkin sauce. But it's good with it too, but. Let's put some butter.
Very fine.
And then, oh, it's like a little butt.
Mmm. I feel the spiciness in my lips. It's burning. Like it's not hot, but it's just like I feel like it's hot. It's not hot, but it's just flaming.
Flaming.
Well, you get what I mean, like that's the kick.
Like a burning sensation?
Yeah.
Dang, you really like the sauce, huh?
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
Might as well go get some rice and eat it.
No, I'm getting kind of full.
Don't eat most of the freaking dumplings.
My last wing, chicken feet. My last one, cooked up.
Baby does not want to be with Grandpa.
One last dumpling.
Really?
Yeah, to get all the sauce in. All the sauce is gone.
It's crazy. My sauce is still like super full. The chicken, middle finger. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, let's go.
It still is cold. There's ice in it.
Excuse me. Oh my gosh, so refreshing. I'm done. Amen. Oh no, it's not. It's not amen. Yes. What's the Japanese and Korean people say? I think Japanese was
Please
like,
don't embarrass yourself.
like, thank you for the meal, and then what about Korean?
I don't know.
Oh,
I was gonna say you better not try to attempt it because you're on your own when you do that.
what?
Try to pronounce it in their language. Please don't do that. You're gonna embarrass yourself. I know you're thinking about it.
You're almost done. Yeah, on your last one.
Yep. Let me wipe my nose. Can you grab that and wipe my nose? Careful. Ow.
Yeah.
Ew.
Are you gonna finish the dumplings too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you ate it all. You only left me those. You can hold my drink and give it to me.
Nope.
Yeah. Come on. Hurry, hold it.
Ready?
Smoking, yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. Sorry, there's a coconut stuff under there. One more?
Okay. I think I'm super full.
Why are you looking like that then?
Just watch you eat.
I'm a real messy eater. But every time I eat, there's like stuff on my shirt. Like right now. See that?
See, he's telling the truth. That's why I don't really buy your clothes.
No, he's telling a lie. Let me see if I can try to dig out all the bones I can put this up in my mouth.
Oh, super full.
Drink water.
Huh?
Drink water. Oh, you don't now.
Oh no, my stomach's too cold. I can't drink the water. I think it was just too long. This one.
Here's one more you found. Yeah, sorry guys, the camera stopped a little bit. Oh! Careful.
Oh, I'm getting all the sauce there.
The corn.
Might put all the dumplings to that.
Oh, that might not want one ounce sauce.
Oh.
The pasta sauce with the dumpling is really good, but I think it loses to this.
Yep, that's true.
This, the chicken feet sauce is so much better with the dumplings.
I don't care. Just put it in.
Wait, did you want to eat one?
No, I'm good.
Good.
I'm too full.
I'm full now too.
Oh, there's only two left. Shove it in. Seriously, just 6 chicken feet and how many dumpling?
It was pretty good though.
Like probably like
I think it was
12
worth
to
it.
15. And we're actually full.
I think it was worth it.
Yeah. All right.
You can end it.
Oh my God, you're so dirty, dude.
I got it all over. My side is super messy, huh?
I know it is. Okay. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys do, please like and share. And people who haven't subscribed us, please subscribe us. And then, what do you want to say?
I don't know. So we are gonna be creating an Instagram account, and then whenever that's done setting up, we'll link it to this video. So please make sure that you guys go follow us on there too, so then you guys are like updated to like whenever we upload. And yeah, I think that's it.
All right. 1, 2, 3. A peace.